In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Basecamp sign in. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to get into your Basecamp account quickly and securely, whether you're using a regular email and password, Google sign-in, or extra security like two-factor authentication. Let's start at the very beginning with getting to the correct login page. Open your web browser, and in the address bar, type in the main Basecamp website, or if your company uses a unique Basecamp address, enter that specific link instead. This might be something your organization shared with you when they first set you up. Once the page loads, look for the login or sign-in option, usually found at the top right or prominently on the home page, and click it. That will take you to the dedicated Basecamp login screen. On the login page, you'll see fields for your email address and password. In the email box, type the email that's registered with your Basecamp account. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it, which can sometimes cause login errors. Next, enter your password carefully. Passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check your capital letters, numbers, and symbols. If you're on a personal or trusted device, you can choose to let your browser remember your login, but avoid doing this on shared or public computers. If your Basecamp account is linked to Google, you can sign in using your Google account instead of typing your password. On the same login page, look for the button that says Sign in with Google. Click it, and a Google window will appear. From there, select the Google account you've connected to Basecamp or sign into Google first if you're not already logged in. Once that's confirmed, you'll be redirected back to Basecamp automatically. If you've turned on two-factor authentication for added security, there's one more quick step. After you enter your email and password, or after you sign in with Google, Basecamp will prompt you for a one-time code. Open your Authenticator app on your phone, find the code that matches your Basecamp account, and type it into the box on the screen. These codes usually refresh every 30 seconds, so use the latest one. Finally, once everything is filled in correctly, click the Sign In button. Basecamp will log you into your account and take you to your dashboard, where you can start managing your projects, messages, and to-dos.